Hello from Slovenia again. I will do just a simple flower dip again today because I like the effects with this just dips, you know, that you dip your canvas on the surface and lift it. This is really, I will say, easy technique for beginners because you know, you just pour some paint on your surface. I use this plastic bags, but you can use any surface that you want, but I like to save my skin that it will left here and reuse it. I have some videos about how to use your skins, so you can check those too if you want to, if you are interested, I have to say, to see how you can use this in another projects, not just for canvases or something. You can use them for different things. So, and I did a reverse flower dip with that. Oh, there was something in there. I will have to take this out. Where is it? So I did a reverse flower dip 2-3 days ago. I published it with this burnt orange, quinacridone burnt orange, and some reds, yellows, and turquoise, and gold, and pearl white. And I really like how this red and burnt orange and yellow look together. So I will use just those three: Amsterdam Azo Yellow Middle, Vallejo quinacridone burnt orange, and Windsro&Newton permanent alizarin crimson, and of course some pearl white, and maybe I will add 24 karat gold too, probably. I will show you all the dry results on my Sunday live this Sunday, so if you can join me at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live pouring. It's always fun, and hopefully that you learn something too. So that's my channel is all about, to learning things too, not just you know, oh, sorry guys, just realized that my okay, should be okay. Okay, so I will drizzle just some paint in kind of circle shape. I will not draw a flower, just drizzle some paint in some circle shape, and hopefully we will get flower from these circles. So I will start with this 24 karat gold, just in, it's not, you know, that you have to do a perfect circles or something, just drizzle some paint in a circle way. And this alizarin crimson, I need more of this. you can just play with this drizzling part, you know. It's not that there is any rules for this. I just like to do it in this kind of circles. So okay, and some quinacridone burnt orange. I really like how those colors blended together on my last pour, so I hopefully will get the same thing. And I will add some pearl white today too, so I don't know. We will see. You never know. And this yellow. These colors doesn't look much right now, but hopefully they will look nice on canvas. Or maybe even they will not, I don't know. Okay, so this is done. I will press my canvas down. And you don't want to press really hard here, otherwise you can smash all the colors underneath. I like to, you know, just do some circle kind of shapes just to press the paint out. So maybe I will just grab this and just try to go around here just to make sure that this will be covered too. Just to touch paint, hopefully. And if you want this flower shape in the middle, you have to pay attention and try to lift it as even as you can, straight up. Release some suction and then straight up. And you can do your sides later, you know, just paint them with black, that they will be black. And I will say what? I will say that I like it. See the colors, hopefully. See, I obviously press a little harder here, or maybe just on this part. You see this one part here, that it's a little different, but this part, you see. But after all, I think that it's nice flower. And you can, you know, just dip something else into this. I'm just tempted to redip it, I don't know. So, here is a close-up. I did play with those colors a little, with the paints on my surface a little bit, but didn't managed to get nothing beautiful out of it, so I will leave that to dry, and maybe I can use skins for something. But I really like this flower because it is beautiful, I think. Of course, I would love that I wouldn't have that thing here and maybe a little less wide, but otherwise I'm really happy with this. I like the colors, and of course one part there that wasn't the best, but still I think that it will be quite nice when it will be dry. So this is just the simplest way to do a flower with fluid art acrylic pouring techniques. You just drizzle some paint and dip your canvas in and lift it straight up, and you can get a beautiful flower painting. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!